in exercise 1.1.1, again as always, I recommend you guys pause the video and try to solve the problems before we start, and then once I solve the problems for you, you'll be able to compare what you did compared to what I did. So in this problem here, we want to see if A, B, and C, which one is, it's either greater than or smaller than or equals to. So either smaller than, you get the big mouth, so smaller mouth, big mouth, equals to, or larger than, again, large mouth, so larger than smaller. So here we go, off the hop, we have a decimal and we have a fraction. We have a decimal and a fraction and a decimal and a fraction. So I would say the easiest way to compare is to convert everything into decimals. So let's go with this one. So this one is going to be equal to 7 divided by 40 is 0.175. Down here we have negative 9 divided by 5 equals negative 1.8. And then here we have negative 13 divided by 5, which is equal to negative 2.6. All right, so we have two positives here, this one and this one. So in the world of positives, this is very easy to figure out. We have 0.15, then we have 0.17. Well, 17 and 5 is larger than 0.15, therefore this answer is smaller than that answer. That one's pretty self-explanatory. Then when it comes to the negatives, that's where it kind of plays with your head. Okay, so we have negative 0.8 and negative 0.8. Well, this and this are the same thing, so they will be equal to each other. Now, on our last example, we have negative 2.8 and we have negative 2.6. So again, now we have a negative and a negative. So with two negatives, we need to see. So we know that 2.8 is the larger number, but it's the larger of the negatives. Therefore, if we were to draw it out, negative 1 and negative 2, oh, negative 3, we're actually going down here. So if this right in the middle here is 2.5, we know that 2.8 is over here, and 2.6 is there. I know that's pretty small to see. So we have 2.8 is actually the smaller number compared to 2.6, because 2.6 is closer to 0. Therefore, we have a smaller than symbol. So there are actually no larger than symbols in this problem. And that's how we solve that. If there are any comments or questions, just leave a comment below.